Well, good morning again. If you've just tuned into 55001's review, I did say there was another one straight after, and it's in the form of a Bachmann Class 47, newly retooled. They've been out a little while now. I've had this model a while. This is a deluxe one with working fans. Very expensive, very limited in number, and it is a whole new setting the bar by Bachmann. So, first impressions, the model is really nice. The problem is Bachmann's Class 47 was already an amazing model, in my opinion. The 47 was already really up there with its quality, so it was really difficult to beat, in my opinion. So they've sort of refreshed it. I think they captured the shape of it well anyway. But looking at it, it looks really good. They've enhanced the cab detail and gone more to town on that. It's hard to see with the camera. Obviously on these deluxe ones, you've got the like a rainbow tinted colour to the windscreens, as you can see on the right hand pane. Wipers are nicely fitted. The paint is very crisp and lovely applied. Got sprung buffers. Being BR blue, it's a bit boring. There isn't too much going on. So if you look through the windows, you can see detail. The bogie detail has been updated with pipework along the top here and other bits and bobs. Not much, like I say, it was already top class, to be honest. They've added additional pipework to the fuel tanks and battery boxes underneath. Crisply applied decals, British Rail logo. And there you can see more engine room detailing, and then this end is pretty much the same. So we've got on the roof pretty much of the same detail as previous, probably just touch it up a little bit. This air duct is still the same, the exhaust port is still the same. There isn't much change there. So while we're up on the roof, function 10 operates the fans. So I'll just turn that on now. Well, for being really quiet, I can't hear it even working. They look really smart, so I'm quite impressed with that. That's nice. Was it worth the extra 70 quid or whatever it was? Probably not. So I'll just switch them off. Also, I'll switch them off. Oh no, they're still going. Right, so we've got directional lights on and off. Quite nice. It's got that additional sound for the click of the, obviously the switch. So fuel pump on, warm engine start. Fuel pump on, fouled engine start. On, off, on. Fuel pump on, cold engine start. So this is fuel pump on and cold engine start. She's there. Which is quite nice. That's got a hell of a thump to it. I must have updated the sound from the old 47. It's quite nice actually. So the horns, so we've got function 3 for the horn obviously. That one's always been like that. They haven't changed the sound of the horn, so it is what it is. Function 5 is heavy load, lengthens acceleration, de-acceleration times. Lovely. Function 7, maximum revs. 6 is coasting. Coupling, flange steel, blah blah blah. Machine room lights. So this is what I'm looking for. There we go. They're quite bright. A lot brighter than the Deltic ones. And we've got cab lights. Yeah, we've got cab lights. There we go. Look at that. Oh, very nice. You can see how detailed it's got now. There we go. That's better. Very nice. That's good, nice. Right, anyway, let's move it. I don't bother about all the other stuff. We've got loads of functions on there. Right, does the light go out when you pull away? Fan end. It's a switch sound, probably not. I do like that. I forget on these when you stop them, they have a brake squirrel. I've missed that on the Deltic, which is a bit of a shame really. Go back the other way. Notice the fan came on automatically by the look of it, so we'll just pull away again. I love that. I have to say, I know everyone's singing the praises of the Deltic at the moment, but this 47 really is up there. Right, more power. There we go. Everyone loves the Soldier 47. I just ran off the end. Let's see if it picks up. Right. Yeah, he's back in. You wouldn't get out on the wheel thing, would you? Oh, there's a bit of a problem. Just press function 7 to get maximum revs. It does sound really nice, I captured the sound really well. It's going cool, isn't it? That's pretty nice. So I've just sent it up to maximum revs. You could hear the fan come in via sound, but the fan started spinning as well. That's really good. That's quite complex. If I do that again, so if I just watch, you'll hear the fan come in. I literally just done it. I'm doing it now. Full revs again. No, that's not like that. Don't go for the camera on that spot. No, what a bugger. The first time I'd done it, the fan came in and they started spinning. I thought it was really clever. See if it does it when I pull away. Let's just switch off. there we have it. That's Bachmann's Class 47 with working fans, SFX Deluxe. Everyone's got massive hype about the Deltic, and to be fair, I love the Deltic. I think it's an amazing model, but this thing has really set the bar anyway for Bachmann. Yeah, I think this is up there. I've got a lot of respect for this model. Always loved the old 47s anyway. But the only thing is, I think their 37's a bit dated now. Obviously, Akira Scale is now bringing out 37, so Bachmann's really in the market to update their 37 again. I know they've already done it, but the thing I don't like about them models, the 37s and their Deltics, is the gap between the bogey and the body. There've always been quite a gap, and the 37s are the same. You can really see the wheels in between the bogey and the body, which obviously you wouldn't on the real thing. So I think Bachmann, if you're watching this, which you probably aren't, because you're going to be watching my crappy video, update your 37, because the 47, you've really nailed it. If you look down here, you can't see the tops of the wheels, if you see what I mean. But on their 37, you guys, you got these 37s, you know, I've had loads of them myself, and I've still got some Bachmann 37s. You'll see the tops of the wheels, and especially if you're running second radius, which I won't be anymore in the future, the wheels rub on the body, so you get like this horrible, especially on my BR Blue one, it had like this blue and white tinge to the wheels. But honestly, they've really nailed this 47, so, and that's probably why it was so expensive. And since now running it and looking at it properly, I literally got out of the box, had it, yeah, lovely, put it back in, got out, run it. It's a really nice model. It's really up there. So when they do another BR Blue one, which I think they're doing a 47.4, I'll be sure to be putting a pre-order in for that. Really nice model. Anyway, I'm going to take any more of your time. I've already took 12.5 minutes of it. Thanks for tuning in. Nice to have something different from Akira Scale. And here it is, Bachmann's Class 47. Thanks guys, stay tuned, and one day we will have a layout, one day. Thanks for tuning in, I'll see you all soon.